Today's video showcase features the new Floriani Favorite Embroiderers Toolkit, along with the Floriani Educator's Favorite Toolkit. If you're anything like myself, I love stitching gadgets. Scissors, tweezers, I love them all. Any tool that helps me make my embroidery process streamlined is a must-have. First up is the Floriani's Favorite Embroiderers Toolkit. The curved precision tip scissors are 4.5 inches long with an angled tip, which allows for safe controlled cuts for applique. The trim-safe angled scissors are perfect for trimming stabilizer, fabrics, and lace. The ball tip on the lower blades protects the fabric from snags and accidental cuts. The angled design is perfect for giving you the ultimate amount of control. The squeeze snips with hook are unique lightweight snips, which are ideal for hand or machine embroidery. With the curved, fine tip, along with a hook, makes trimming tight jump stitches a breeze, even in hard-to-reach areas. The Precision Seam Ripper has a curved blade for easy glide while cutting, and comes with 3 replacement blades. The Pro Stiletto is a great quality stitching tool that comes in handy for easing fabric under the needle while sewing. It can also be used for turning pillow corners, stuffing small crevices for dolls or toys. The Floriani Educator's Favorite Embroidery Toolkit includes the micro tip scissors, which are perfect for all your needle art projects. The fine sharp points are perfect for getting underneath tight stitches and for all your fussy cutting projects. The 5-inch straight trimmers are high-quality trimmers that have stainless steel blades that create an even cut along the entire length of the blade, making them perfect for trimming your fabrics and stabilizers. The squeeze and snips are unique lightweight snips that are ideal for hand or machine embroidery. The curved fine tips makes trimming jump stitches a breeze, even in hard-to-reach areas. The applique scissors are great for trimming all your applique work. These are the perfect size for traveling and fitting into tight spaces, making them ideal for in-the-hoop embroidery, quilting, and small applique projects. The unique duckbill shape lifts and trims the fabric without fear of snagging the underneath layer. The angled tweezers are perfect for precise picking and can also be used as a stiletto when closed. These tools come in their own carrying case and will power you to tackle any embroidery project. Add these high-quality embroidery tools to your embroidery gadget collection today.